Well, hoBROs, it's another beautiful sunny day here in Thailand, and we're about to go on another adventure. You know, we're going to try to go to some parks maybe. This one called the train park, don't know. But you know what? Sometimes we don't know how to get there, we just wing it. But what my family says is, hey, if we're lost together. So let's go get lost in Bangkok.
So now where are we going?
I don't know. We're gonna get lost in Bangkok. Going to the train park, right? I guess.
Yes. Lost in Bangkok 3. As I never see the Bangkok road like this. So clear. Oh! I love this! Come on, come on, come on.
So on our way to the train park, we're passing by this awesome temple. What's the name of this temple?
Samiennaree.
Wat Samiennaree. Check it out. Let's go. Check it out, hoBROs. You know, if you watch my Lao video, you saw some cool temples there. Now we're in Thailand. We're going to a really beautiful temple in Bangkok. So check it out. It's called Wat Samiennaree. How beautiful is this place? This is like a sprawling campus. It just goes on and on. Wow. These are the Buddhas for the different days of the week. And you burn incense and sort of ask the Buddha for your day to help you out. It's like the Chinese version of the Buddha, the big fat one. If any of you ever read Siddhartha, where you know a little bit about the story of the Buddha. Where's that?
The King Temple?
Yeah.
But you have to pay 500 baht.
Okay.
For why?
What is this one for?
It's just for the monk to get in, pray.
Oh, that's a special house where the monk goes to pray. But look, there's buildings that keep going back.
That's not going to be a school. That's school for poor. I mean, for this town. The temple they built that for the little kids. Like preschool. Right there.
Hey. Look at this old Amazing, huh? All right, hobos, let's go on another adventure. Here we go. Bye.
Okay. สวย เฮ้ยถ้าเขาไม่หันใจไม่ได้ The whole bounty.
All right, homies, we made it to the train park. Somehow we got lost, but now we're here. And look at all these bikes, as far as you can see. These bikes go all the way down, way about 100 yards that way, just full of bikes. Check it out, we're gonna rent some. Here we are, riding bikes, hoBROs, through the train park. So check it out, like I said, we're at the train park. Look at that thing, is actually an old train car. It's now converted into like a kitchen for the restaurant. So check it out, look at, see that?
ถ้ารู้สิน้ำก่อนไปทางเนื้อเขาขึ้นนี่พวกหัวแรงนี่เลยถ้ามาขันนะก็จะนั่งรถไอ้นี่ไปกันทางไหนจองตั๋วเขาแล้วเหรอ
Isn't that wild? It's a train car, dudes. Let's go, there's more to see. Hold on, Jay. There's a Thai fashion model doing a still shoot over there. You see that all the time here. Also wedding pictures and all kinds of stuff. Alright, as you can see, here we are in the train park. There's my whip. There's Monkey Dog. We found a little shady spot. The ladies like to come and relax. Me and Monkey Dog's gonna hit the trail, right, Monkey Dog? We're gonna ride the bikes on the trail. Sounds good, hoBROs. Let's do it.
Get ready for bike camp.
Bike camp, hoBROs! Yeah, it's right in the middle of the city with skyscrapers and everything. The reason this is called a train park is because of the train. Pretty cool, huh, man? This is an old train. Check it out. It still has the engine. sitting here in the woods at the old train park. Ain't going nowhere because of that tree, homies. Good old number 943. Look at this. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, later, homies. Just want to take a closer look at this old train, man. Look at that. It's being used as like a restaurant storage unit now. It's insane. I mean, imagine the history behind that thing. It's crazy, dog. Did you have fun at the train park? What are we doing now?
Wait,
And then?
wait,
And then?
wait,
And after that?
wait.
Going on another adventure, hoBROs. Where are we going, OJ? Loy, Loy, Loy. We're going to the town of Loy. How awesome is that? It's going to be some cool vlogging, right, Fa? Good love, What does that mean? What does Jip Dude mean?
เก็บตูดก็คือ
Huh?
Bottom.
It means my ass hurts. Jip Dude.
bottom. Hello, bro. Hello.